All right, welcome. So this might look familiar here. This is the template that I used to contact the Chinese supplier for the workout gloves in the last video, and I'm going to be giving it to you 100% free. I hope you enjoy that. I even give you some guidelines. I point out some things, I go over things, and here is email one. There's only one email, okay? I'm not going to give you templates for all the follow-up discussion because it's so situational and different, per discussion. The important thing is the opener, right? Making that first impression. So here's the introduction, and this is for the introduction if you already know exactly what the type of product you want. Example, price point, color, size, quantity, everything. That's when you use this template. In scenario 2, you have no idea how exactly you want the design to be. You just want something different and unique. And this is the one that I used, right, for the workout glove, because I didn't know what kind of design glove that I wanted. So I wanted to hear from them if they could offer me anything unique. That's that. So hope you will enjoy that. You can thank me later. One last thing I want to go over before we sort of shift gears into something different is this company right here. And there's a lot of these companies out there. This is just the one that I use, and I've used different ones in the past. This one is the fairest priced, and they do a good job in terms of reporting, giving you, accurate data, and, emailing you updates. That's why I like these guys. Called globalinsp.com. This is a third-party inspection company. And what these people do is they're on the ground in China. You contact them, you tell them the address of your factory, the type of product you sell. You fill in all the details about your product, where your manufacturer is located, all of that kind of good stuff, and they will actually send someone on the ground to monitor your items during production. It's called a third-party inspection. It's very common, and it's a great idea, especially because it only costs you around $100. Now, if you're really, really pinching pennies, then don't worry about it. If you have a little bit more money in the bank, a little bit more budget, it's well worth your time because it can prevent disaster. It's especially important if you sell electronics or any type of topical or ingestible item. It's less important if you sell just boring, non-hazardous, or threatening items, but it is still a good idea regardless of the product you sell. To do this, I highly recommend it. It's $100, and you can have complete peace of mind with photos. They take photos of the products being produced in the factory. They do quality control and everything like that. Highly recommend it. Again, it's just a little bonus. We're on to the next video now. Thanks.